Friends, I am glad to see you all on the Home Tips channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your bathtub of soap scum, limescale, rust and stickiness. After this method, your bathtub will turn from grey and yellow to snow white. To prepare the cleaning solution, we will need 100 ml of water. The water temperature should be 80 degrees Celsius. Next, add half a tablespoon of citric acid. Add the citric acid to the water and stir well until the crystals are completely dissolved. Measure out 1 tablespoon of mustard powder and add it to the solution. Dry mustard powder helps break down grease, removes soap scum and has a mild antibacterial effect. And the last ingredient is toothpaste. I add 1 tablespoon to the mixture. Citric acid is excellent for removing limescale, mineral deposits and hot water stains. It's also easily rinsed with water, completely odorless, and when used in right concentration, won't damage the surface. Toothpaste effectively removes grey plaque, slight yellowing, and water and soap stains. It gently polishes the surface and restores the enamel's shine. Mix all ingredients well, and the cleaning solution is ready. First, wet the bathtub with water. Then, using a soft, damp sponge, apply a small amount of the solution to the entire surface of the bathtub. For heavily soiled areas, soak clothes in the solution and apply them to the stain. After 5 minutes, you can begin cleaning. Watch how the bathtub becomes snow white before your eyes. All the grayness and yellowness are easily and quickly removed. For areas with heavy soiling, 5 minutes won't be enough, therefore leave it for longer and check periodically to see if the plaque has dissolved and is easily removed, then you can start cleaning. After you finish cleaning, rinse the bathtub surface thoroughly with water to remove any remaining product. Look at how much soap scum and limescale I have on my shower tray. First, wet it with water. Then use a soft sponge to spread the product over the surface and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. If you want to remove hard water stains from your glass shower door and make it clear again, watch the video in the tip at the top right. After the product has had time to work, you can easily remove all the dirt and limescale. Remember to use soft sponges when cleaning to avoid scratching the surface. This product is also great for cleaning bathroom sinks and kitchen sinks. You can use it to remove limescale from tiles. You can also use the remaining product to clean your toilet, as you can't store it, but it will keep your toilet clean. Look how the bathtub surface sparkles. It's white again. Everything is beautifully cleaned. That's how, using readily available ingredients, you can make a natural and incredibly effective product that will help you clean your bathtub and much more around the house. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. There are many simple, effective home life hacks to come. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in more videos.